Hey guys, had a request. Somebody wanted to see our palm hedge. How's the palm hedge doing that I planted several years ago go along this boulevard, which is totally neglected, rocky, crappy soil. And the ones that survive the summer are going to be tough palms. So it's not the winter we worry about, it's summertime, because the summers are so dry here and the soil's so poor. So there's some in there. They're not going to be growing fast out here because, like I say, the conditions, they never get watered. See if any more survived. There's some. Right there. Growing in the grass. Neglect. Right? Remember, it's February now. So there's some more. Is there any more up here? Yeah, I think a bunch of them died out in summertime. It's just, we never lose them in the wintertime. It's always summer. Some right there too. Those are palms there. They look like crap, but growing neglected in the grass on this bank along the road. And is there any more here? Oh, there's another clump there. So a lot of them have probably died out. You can see there's some here. These ones have actually starting to split some fronds. Some more there. There's some there. And there. So yeah, they look like crap, but you know what, they are neglected. And then you got some down here that aren't growing in the bank. There's yuccas under there too, under that California lilac. Okay, here. That's what they look like. That's actually a clay, kind of a clay pocket in there below the bank. So, because that bank has been built up when they scraped our driveway years ago to make this, when they were excavating to build the place 30 years ago or so. So these ones look a little bit better, don't they? Look at that. Cordy lines, yuccas. Yuccas are going to be blooming, and not bad for February. So anyway, yeah, some of them made it, some of them didn't. That's a neglected palm too, by the way. All these are neglected. But there you go. So yes, the palms are alive. What's left of them? The ones that didn't die in the summertime are alive and kicking along this bank. Okay, there you go. There's your update. Trachycarpus palms on Salt Spring Island. The hedge I was talking about, that'll never ever turn into a hedge. All right, the yuccas do well. And there's a pampas grass I planted there a few weeks ago. I moved it from another part of the garden. So there you go. Hope you like that update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another update, maybe closer to summer. And that's what the soil's like in here. It's just all this stuff comes out of here when you dig. Rocky, dry, terrible. Cheers.